Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then act. Install Vscode, Git, and your runtime, and add the Copilot extension. Once signed into GitHub Copilot, enable it for the workspace and verify your account access. Create a test folder and install a test framework like Playwright or Jest. Make an initial config file. This gets Copilot context from package, JSON, and existing tests, so it can suggest meaningful automation code as you begin writing actual test stubs. You now generate test code with intent. Open a test file and type a clear test name plus a short comment describing steps. Copilot uses that prompt. Use inline comments and to-do markers to direct specific interactions, selectors, and assertions. Accept or edit suggestions selectively, then run the test suite to surface failures. When a test fails, update assertions or selectors and rerun. Iteratively refine prompts and examples so Copilot learns the style and provides. You finish by consolidating and optimizing. Refactor duplicated steps into helpers and data-driven cases, then use Copilot to scaffold fixtures and CI scripts for GitHub actions. Make sure to lint and format code so future suggestions match your style. If Copilot's output is wrong or stale, try restarting Vscode, updating the extension, or clearing workspace cache. Also make prompts more explicit about selectors and wait strategies. One troubleshooting tip: reproduce failure locally, then refine the prompt with exact DOM or API details to improve completions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.